How to make money online. There are numerous ways to make money online, and with the right strategies and dedication, you can build a successful online income stream. Here are a few more methods to consider. 1. Start an e-commerce store. Setting up an online store allows you to sell products directly to customers. You can either create your own products or source them from suppliers and dropshippers. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy make it easy to set up and manage your store. 2. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. You can join affiliate programs of various companies and promote their products on your website, blog, or social media platforms. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction are popular affiliate networks. 3. Create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider creating an online course and selling it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera. Many people are willing to pay for valuable knowledge and skills, and online courses provide a convenient way to learn from experts. 4. Offer freelance services. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or any other field, you can offer your services as a freelancer. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients looking for specific skills. Building a strong portfolio and delivering high-quality work will help you attract more clients and increase your earnings. 5. Start a YouTube channel. If you enjoy creating videos, consider starting a YouTube channel. You can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Find a niche that you are passionate about and create engaging content to grow your subscriber base. 6. Become a virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs are in need of virtual assistants to help with tasks such as email management, social media scheduling, data entry, and more. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer offer opportunities to find virtual assistant gigs. 7. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrencies. If you have some capital to invest, consider investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies. Research and learn about different investment strategies and platforms, and be prepared to take calculated risks. Keep in mind that investing always carries some level of risk, so it's important to do thorough research before making any decisions. Remember, making money online requires time, effort, and persistence. It's important to choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. Stay consistent, adapt to changes, and continuously learn to maximize your online earning potential. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.